Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel, where we show you how to stretch your budget without shrinking your holiday joy. Today's episode is all about holiday gifts on a tight budget. Real ideas, real hacks, and real savings for real families. Whether you're a parent, sibling, grandparent, or just someone who loves giving without going broke, this video is for you. So grab some hot cocoa, get cozy, and let's jump into budget-friendly gift ideas that are thoughtful, creative, and actually doable. Let's make this holiday magical and affordable. $0 to $5 gifts that feel expensive. Let's start with the lowest budget category, $0 to $5 gifts. Yes, you heard that right. These gifts cost less than a peppermint mocha but still feel heartfelt. Gift idea number 1, memory jars. Find an empty jar, pasta jar, mason jar, whatever you've got. Fill it with handwritten memories, inside jokes, or open one notes. It's one of the most emotional gifts you can give for almost nothing. Gift idea number 2, family coupon book. This is a classic. Coupons like one free movie night, I'll fold your laundry, good for one chore-free day, or for kids, stay up 30 minutes later. Print or handwrite them. It's meaningful and fun. Gift idea number 3, handmade ornaments. Use paper, cardboard, or salt dough. Add paint, glitter, or photos. This becomes a keepsake for years. Gift idea number 4, re-gift with a glow-up. Have a candle, mug, or scarf you barely used. Wrap it beautifully. Add a handwritten tag, maybe a chocolate inside. It feels intentional, not cheap. Gift idea number 5, hot chocolate bomb in a bag. Take a packet of cocoa, add mini marshmallows, maybe a candy cane. Put it in a dollar store cellophane bag. Boom! Thoughtful treat for under $2. $5 to $10 gifts. Now let's bump up the budget just a bit. Here are $5 to $10 gifts that look like they came from a fancy boutique. Gift idea number 6, customized photo calendars. Print photos at low-cost print shops. Bind with ribbon or a dollar store clipboard, a full year of memories for under $10. Gift idea number 7, cozy winter kits. Socks, tea, mini lotion, wrap in tissue. Instant comfort pack. Gift idea number 8, book swap upgrade. Buy a thrifted book in good condition and write a personalized message on the inside cover. This made me think of you. Gift idea number 9, recipe in a bottle. Layer ingredients like flour, sugar, and cocoa in a jar. Add a recipe tag. Family members can make cookies together. Gift idea number 10, desk buddy kit. For students or colleagues, sticky notes, pen, snack, small plant. Cute and useful. Experience gifts for families. Now let's talk about experience gifts. Some of the most memorable gifts cost little to nothing. Gift idea number 11, at-home movie night box. Put popcorn, a printed movie ticket, and snacks in a box. Add pajama instructions. Come comfy. Gift idea number 12, nature walk adventure. Plan a scavenger hunt, pack hot chocolate, and gift a printed adventure pass. Gift idea number 13, family game night challenge. Use cards, dice, or free printable games. The prize, a silly trophy made from foil. Gift idea number 14, skills swap. Gift your time. I'll teach you how to bake cookies. I'll help you organize your closet. Or I'll fix that thing you've been putting off. Experiences matter more than objects. Creative DIY gifts. Let's get creative with DIY gifts that look handmade in the best way. Gift idea number 15, personalized mugs. Use dollar store mugs and oil-based paint pens. Bake for 30 minutes to set. Add someone's name, inside joke, or doodle. Gift idea number 16, spine a jar, cotton pads, homemade sugar scrub nail file. Label it relaxation jar. Gift idea number 17, photo coasters. Print photos, glue onto tiles, seal with Mod Podge. Looks like a $30 Etsy item. Gift idea number 18, scented sachets. Mix rice with essential oil. Put in fabric scraps. Perfect for drawers or closets. Gift idea number 19, homemade candles. Melt leftover candles, add a new wick, pour into teacups or jars. Elegant and eco-friendly. Gifts for kids. Kids don't care about price tags, they care about fun. Here are budget-friendly gifts for kids. Gift idea number 20, DIY craft kit. Markers, glue, paper, stickers, boom. Hours of creativity. Gift idea number 21, personalized storybook. Write a simple story and make them the hero. Add drawings or print clip art. Gift idea number 22, treasure hunt gift. Instead of buying something big, hide tiny treats around the house and give them a map. Gift idea number 23, activity certificates. Bake cookies with me, build a blanket fort, choose the dinner. Kids love autonomy. Gifts for adults. Adults appreciate gifts that are thoughtful, useful, or relaxing. Gift idea number 24, pantry basket. Olive oil, spices, pasta, it's practical and classy. Gift idea number 25, framed quote or photo. Print a meaningful quote and put it in a thrifted frame. Gift idea number 26, cozy essentials pack. Tea, socks, hand cream, the trifecta of comfort. Gift idea number 27, journal starter kit. Blank notebook, pen, and a list of journal prompts. And that's our list of holiday gifts on a tight budget, TikTok Family Edition. Remember, the best gifts aren't about money. They're about meaning, thoughtfulness, and the little touches that show someone you care. Thanks for watching, happy holidays, and may your season be filled with joy, warmth, and savings.